righteousness rises in the east. Oh God, your glory fills heaven and earth. My beautiful beloved, your love surrounds me. Those who seek truth all love God. In the early morning, though I rise alone, joy's in my heart as I ponder God's words. His gentle words, like a loving mother. His words of judgment, like a